So Stephen took us through a lot of Huawei's new products and technologies, but now I'm here with Ian to take us to talk about video products. So Ian, can you tell us about the cloud CDN and Huawei's TV strategy here?
Yes, okay. So here at Huawei, I'm part of the software division, and we have a solution for media CDN,
right?
And which is being deployed around the world as a solution for hosting and storing media content.
Right.
And then our IPTV platform, which is a solution which started as IPTV but is now completely hybrid, supporting IPTV, OTT content, DVB-S, DVB-C, and allows an operator to ingest any kind of content, create any mixture of products and services from that content, and deliver that out to the devices over any kind of network. Here's an example of a box we've been selling a lot this year.
Looks like a little Roku box or Apple TV.
Yeah. It's even smaller. It's already 4K, and we've had this for about a year.
Wow.
So I don't know why those other guys aren't only just getting on the 4K bandwagon.
Right.
That's a full Android box, and about 10 times faster than the box you were deploying 2 years ago.
Wow.
So it's about 1100 DMIPS, this one. And then over here, this is an example of our next generation. So we've been working on what comes after the menu bar and the EPG. You know, what are we going to do with channel grid, and what can an operator do to both enable additional services and get some additional value? You know, both revenue, ARPU, but also brand value. What's the difference between one operator's EPG and another operator's? You know, what can you do? Well, why not get away from the EPG? Again, we're using the same little box there,
right.
And go to a magazine-style interface. So the idea of this is, why not have an interface that makes sense on all the devices, so you can see that this makes sense on a TV, but it makes a lot more sense on a tablet than a traditional channel grid.
Because you go zip,
zip, and browse around. And so all together, you've got this whole multi-screen thing, same look and feel here and here and so on, and it's the next generation. It's not available yet. The product today is still a menu bar and a channel guide. But this is some of our thoughts for the future.
How soon in the future do you think?
Could be next year.
Really?
Yeah.
And who gets to take the screen home?
Not me, it wouldn't fit in my luggage.
Oh, that's true.
And then the last thing is a lot of operators have to spend a lot of time developing tools to monitor and provide quality management and quality services, quality of experience.
Right. I was waiting for QoE to come up.
Exactly. This is a dashboard that's our next generation of this, but even the product we have today, most of our operators will deploy a very advanced, real-time, down-to-the-client monitoring system that we develop and deploy with just about all our operators now.
So what exactly are we monitoring here?
So we can monitor all manner of troubleshooting traffic, your basic latencies, jitters, packet loss, usage, consumption, advertising, campaigns, all of that kind of stuff. All of which are things that our platform can provide. So this allows, this is a very sexy version of but even the current tools give you real-time graphical interface, red light warning monitoring, integration with existing SNMP monitoring systems.
Right.
And a lot of operators see this as, again, taking advantage of this IP ecosystem.
Right. It just shows what operators can do if they can make more effective use of the data they already have.
For sure, big data, and again, feeding that into the recommendation engine, feeding that into the advertising system, and of course into reporting and analysis.